Hello, my name is Emily Walden. That's JC. Alright, today we're doing a documentary on exploring the human mind in the cafeteria. Now, or the cafeterium, which is a auditorium with a cafeteria in it.
Cafetorium.
Whatever you want. Alright, now here we go.
Oh.
That would be our subject, cold. Now we see the people as they eat their food. We see them. They have their milk. And they butter their toast first. They butter it first. This is amazing. I can't believe I've made this discovery. Buttered toast before the milk. I am ecstatic. Okay, here's another subject right here. Ashley, what do you like to eat for lunch? What do you like to eat?
Definitely chicken.
We are eating chicken for lunch. Okay, here's another subject. This is Adam. Adam, what do you like to eat?
Hey, would you like to listen to Baby Got Back?
No, what do you eat for lunch?
I don't want chicken.
I need change for a 5.
Needs change for a 5.
Really bad.
Food, I presume.
No, I want to get change for a 5.
No, this is a documentary. Hold on. And we have more people here. Whoa, I spit on the camera. Okay.